In this video, I'm showing you how you can use the Spotify Equalizer feature. So this is going to help you edit the quality of songs you listen to. Very simple and easy. So to do this, let's just tap on our profile at the top left corner of our screen. You can see the arrow on the screen there. Tap on that. And now let's move to our settings. Good. And now here, all we need to do is just scroll. Yes. And now we tap on the playback option there. You can see the arrow on the screen. Good. On this page, we scroll to the bottom. Yes, and now you can see equalizer here. Yeah. So now let's tap on that. So the equalizer is going to help us edit our quality. The song we are listening to, the quality. So let's say we need to turn it on before we can make some sort of edit. So let's say we want a bass booster. We want to boost the bass in the song we are listening to. So in this case, you are going to hear the bass of the beat of the song you are listening to, something like that. Acoustic, classical, dance, and all that. You're going to choose any of them, and then you change the quality of the song you're listening to. You can turn it off, and then you go with the automatic setting on Spotify. That's it on how you use the equalizer feature on Spotify. If you're new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. You have any question, you let me know in the comment section. I have a lot of tutorials on Spotify. You can check them out. That's it for the video. Peace.